Hey everyone, welcome to Grafx IT Career Cafe. How are you people doing today? Hope you guys are doing great. So today I have brought Mr. Santosh Mahapatro, who is one of our renowned trainers who has been working with Grafx IT solutions since 17 long years. Today I am going to bring you some special talks from Mr. Santosh Mahapatro. So I will be asking him some random questions. Before that, I am giving it to Mr. Santosh so that he can introduce himself. Santosh sir, please introduce yourself to our audience here.
Hi everyone. As madam has introduced myself, so once again from my side, my name is Santosh Mahapatro and I am working for this organization since 17 years and I have an experience of almost 20 years in this training, working and training with different segment people. So I suppose that madam will be pointing out some questions and where I can clarify all your doubts. And at the same time madam can be clarified with all the doubts whatever she has in her mind. So madam, it's up to you, your questions.
Yes. Thank you so much sir. So guys, today I have brought some interesting questions. So I get a lot of queries every single day asking me, ma'am, why should I learn Python? Why should I learn Hadoop? Why should I learn some blah blah courses? So today, as a career advisor, I will be able to tell you that this course is so and so and you get so and so content and this is a duration, this is a price. But today I thought let me do something different. So I brought Mr. Santosh, wherein technically he will be able to tell you people why should you learn Python or why should you learn some courses. So I have brought list of questions which a lot of students have asked me. So I'll go with the first question. So Santosh sir, we have got a first question from one of our student and this is a random question which is going every single day. So first question is, I am a B Tech student. I finished my CSE or IT. What course should I learn? So this is their main question, and if they learn that course, will they get a job? So I think this is a random question which maximum students are asking. So would you like to enlighten our students with this?
Sure. First, let me tell you that a B Tech guy coming from CSE or IT, they feel like which are the better technology for them. And from their college point of view, they always concentrate in a point like C, C++, Java. Yeah, they are the trending technology. But let us come to the real world. Guys, you know what real world is happening, what changes are happening in the world today. Every industry requires some expert. Maybe 10 years back, programming was needed. But today, something different is needed. And what is that different is all about a new trend called artificial intelligence, a new trend called data science, a new trend of machine learning, and altogether deep learning. Guys, this is what need in the industry's level. Hope after 4 years you want to get a job, and if you really want to get into a job, guys, make sure there are some tools which you have to learn, which are the trending tool. Like one of the latest tool, what madam was speaking about, the first word called Python. And to be frank, whatever you learn with C, C++, Java, you can be up to a development. You can only develop. But today, Python is such a tool which you can use for development, like GUI development, web development. At the same time, beyond the development, there is something like analyzing the data. And you guys, you're very clear that every industry is maintains some millions of transactions a day. And to analyze that data, it's not that much easy. And that is the reason where Python comes into the picture. Not only that, we talk something on machine learning which is all about future predictions. And make sure it is very simple. I'm sure like if you learn Java and you write a program of 20 lines of program in Java, if you convert that program into Python, you can make it within 5 lines. So now you choose that whether 20 lines is better or a 5 line is better, because Python has all its quality, and the quality of this technology is it's an open source. You need not require to depend on any organization. So B Tech CSE IT, I suggest you can start with a career of data science, in which the basic part which you can start with a tool like Python. So madam, I feel like you got some point with this tool called Python.
Yes.
So any other doubts, please?
Very big lecture, and I think we have got lot of answers with a small one single question. I think we have got n number of answers which Mr. Santosh has already given it to us. So guys, stay tuned to our channel. We have got n number of questions asking from different level of students here. So please stay tuned with us. I think whatever Mr. Santosh has just told us, each and every question which we have just asked him, he has given a brief answer. So please stay tuned with us with some more interesting questions. Thank you so much and have a very good day. Thank you so much.